Everyone, how are you doing? We welcome you all to the hands-on video and first impressions of the latest Redstone build, the build 14295 that Microsoft has pushed to Windows Insiders in Fastering. When I talk about Windows Insiders in Fastering, it's only those insiders who has got a Redstone supported device. So the devices that shipped with Windows 10 Mobile or the devices which were deemed eligible to upgrade to Windows 10 Mobile. So you can get the list by going to NPU and reading our articles. So now if you have a Windows 10 eligible device or shipped device, then you can get the Redstone build 14295 on your devices. So here I have a Lumia 640 XL and it has recently upgraded to Windows 10 Mobile officially. So if you are an insider, then you don't need to do anything. You would be already on build 10586.164. So what you just need to do, go to change to the fastering and you can upgrade to this build. So this is the first time that Lumia 640 XL has received this build officially. So talking about installation experience, the build 14295 gets installed very quickly. So if I talk about the full time taken for this upgrade, then it will be somewhere like 40 to 45 minutes for my device. So it took around 10 to 15 minutes for the download and I think 10 minutes for installation and then perhaps 20 minutes for restart and data migration. So around 40 to 45 minutes. The build does not seem to be very big in size. It would be around 1 GB or even less than that. So now coming to how this build behaves. So as we said, I mean, installation experience in a nutshell is very smooth. So now coming to how this build behaves, the first impressions are really good. We had talked about the build 14291 on Lumia 550 and we were surprised with how fast the build is. Actually, if you compare the Redstone to Threshold builds, you would be surprised with the speed that Microsoft has brought to Redstone. So it seems some kind of change in the code base has done wonders, and maybe there is some kind of clocking speed has been increased in the processor, etc. So there may be some kind of change which has made it feel faster. So okay, let's just see. We'll open apps and we will see how the multitasking works, how the UI navigation works, etc. So it's quite good actually. You can see how fast I'm trying to scroll and it's okay. So if as we can see, the build 14295 feels really fast, very smooth. When you talk about going to settings and accessing different settings, it really works well. I mean, it's quite fast. Even on Lumia 640 XL, if you have seen our earlier videos with Threshold, you may feel, I mean, because I could feel it because I'm running here, you could feel that it's a bit much faster than what it used to be, I mean, on Threshold. So it's quite a good feeling. Usually the, I mean, settings, they just open really fast, really good. And not only that, if we go to the multitasking, we can feel that, I mean, it's all very fast actually. It resumes quite good, quite well. So I mean all the apps, even the heavy apps like maps, etc., they just open fast. So that's really credit worthy. Let's see the Instagram beta, the beta app that is infamous for getting crashed. You can just check it. It's taking its own sweet time, but maybe okay. Yeah, it did not crash. That's good actually. Let's see how the Microsoft Edge works here on a Lumia 640 XL. There are no new changes. It's all the same that you may have seen on build 14291. But okay, what I changed, you can see the setting. I mean about this app. So this has new the version, the 14295.1000. We need to see whether it how it feels like actually. To us, it looks really good actually. The Edge has behaved really well since Redstone upgrades. So it also seems that Microsoft may be working on making Edge better on Redstone. So that is a good thing. Scrolling, panning, zooming, etc. is okay. We don't see any issue here with at least on our site. So as we said, the first impression with this build is also positive. We have not yet faced any crashes, the OS crashes, even the apps are fine. We just saw the Instagram beta, which is infamous for crashing. It's okay. I mean, it's opening okay. It does not give you any issue. It did not crash it. So either that app has improved or the build has something, some more stability, much better than what we used to see. You can again go for the multitasking experience. Multitasking has really been top notch. Even Instagram resumes well. So with that, we have seen how this build behaves on a Lumia 640 XL, the device that got the Redstone build for the first time.